Hey everybody.
Hey.
I'm Dominique.
I'm Diamond.
And we are
the Edward Sisters Property Group.
Thanks so much for joining us. It's Monday, March 4th, and that means it's time for Market Monday. Today's Market Monday update, we're going over the Guttenberg market. So, the average sales price across all sales categories in Guttenberg was $375,000. That's a 3% increase over the previous year at $364,000 on the average sales.
Yep. Now the average for condos was $373,000, and the average for single-family homes was $311,000. Now the reason for the difference in the price is because last year Guttenberg sold 94 condos, while they only sold 10 single-family homes, and those 10 single-family homes were priced a little bit on the lower side, thus leading to the difference in the average.
Now, the average two-family home sold for $489,000. Three families on average sold for $534,000, and four families on average sold for $716,000. So now the average days on market in Guttenberg was 50 days, and this is really interesting. That's actually a decrease from the previous year, which on average it took about 70 days, average days on market to sell a home. So that means that buyer demand was a little bit higher in Guttenberg than the year before, and it's also possible that sellers priced their home better or more correctly, and thus that led to quicker sales for them this year.
Now the list price to sold price ratio is 96%. That means that the average home sold for 96% of their asking price. Now the previous year it was 97%, so there was a slight drop in how much money homeowners were able to make. This means that if you're selling your home, make sure you price it as close to market value as possible so that the offers you get will be around 4% lower than your asking price, or even higher if you price it competitively.
So now if you're buying, you'll need to make an offer of no less than 4% lower than the asking price in order to secure the home you want. Demand in Guttenberg is still pretty high, especially with all the condos that are being sold.
Yeah.
So you do have to expect some competition on a home that you really want and on a home that's priced well.
Right. Now for studios to one bedrooms, the average rent was $1,800. Now there are lots of luxury and newer construction properties there. That's why the price is so high. Now for two bedrooms, the average was $2,400, and for three bedrooms, it was $2,500.
So are you better off buying or renting in Guttenberg? Well, the answer would definitely be buying.
Yeah.
These rent prices are essentially mortgages. So if you must pay these numbers in rent anyway, then your better solution is to invest in yourself and pay this mortgage on your own property. You may even end up paying less money than you would renting, especially if we're talking about that studio or the 2-bedroom rental numbers. In that category, you'll definitely have some savings.
Yes. Now, a couple interesting facts for you guys. The lowest sold listing was a 1-bedroom co-op on Boulevard East, and it sold for, get this, $68,000, all cash.
Yes.
Now, the highest sold listing was a 3-bedroom townhome at Lydia Drive at the waterfront at Bulls Ferry. That one sold for $1.1 million in just 2 weeks.
So, if you would like a list of the hottest real estate deals in Guttenberg, we're talking the lowest price homes, the best deals that we know are going to sell quickly, we have a link for you. It's going to be in our bio, or it'll be along with this video if you're on YouTube or Facebook. So please check that out. We promise it will be worth it. So thanks so much for tuning into Market Monday. Check us out next week when we bring you another exciting local real estate market update. Have a great Monday, you guys. Bye.
Bye.